This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in the city of Richmond. More specifically, I'm in Church Hill, and today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath bungalow. This home, located in the middle of the frame, is here on an interesting block. We've got a large lot there to the right. As with many parts of Church Hill, we've got a huge amount of redevelopment that has taken place. You can see in the frame, all or almost all of these homes are either new or newly renovated, and they are great condition. A lot of work has been going into Church Hill over the past several years. The home we're going to look at is 7 years old and is special for one of many reasons, but the biggest reason is it's ADA accessible. And it's very unusual to find a home that is ideal for individuals with disability or mobility issues. Makes getting around the home much easier. We're going to look at some of those features here momentarily. One of the things I wanted to talk about today was our current environment in terms of buying a home. As you are probably aware, many of the homes that are coming on the market today are getting 10 to 20 offers, extremely competitive for buyers. As a result, some buyers have opted to forego inspections. That has really made some buyers agents cringe. Our number one role is to protect our buyers, and it's tough to protect buyers if they're not getting the traditional inspections. However, some creative agents have come up with the idea of what we call a soft inspection. And a soft inspection is just simply having either an inspector or someone that's well versed in construction to do a mini inspection. And it could be just going under the crawl space, looking at the high dollar major systems, the systems that would cost you a lot of money if they are problematic or have major defects. And we're not talking about replacing a light switch or a sticky door. We're talking moisture issues in a crawl space or foundation issues or things of that nature, major leaks in an attic, things that'll cost you a lot of money in the short term. That way, some buyers are more comfortable making offers and actually waiving the inspection. Waiving the inspection in many cases will mean the difference of getting that home or missing out and losing it to someone else that's willing to do that. All right, great curb appeal here. We even have a little parking spot. Notice here on the ground, we have a small ramp. So the beauty is, if someone is in a wheelchair, they can park right here and then just wheel right into the home without any steps whatsoever. They've got a little tiny threshold, probably like a 2 or 3 inch lip. And other than that, they are home free. All right, it is nice and cool in here. The AC definitely works. We've got a couple ceiling fans that are working hard to move that air around. To the right is a coat closet. Special thanks to Brent Christian at United Real Estate. He is the owner agent and a really nice man that was kind enough to allow us to come in and take a look at his offering. Okay, we have crown molding in here, which is neat as well. Our square footage is coming in about 1350. And I also see this as a neat property. Let's say you had a student. We've got several universities here nearby. This would be a great property for a student. Some parents will actually buy the property for the student, let them stay here for 3 or 4 years, and then go ahead and sell or hold it for rental property. At that time, there's a good chance there'll be some equity accrued, and also it's a whole lot cheaper for a junior to stay here than it is to pay for an overpriced dorm room and a meal plan. So just a smart move for a lot of parents. You can actually structure it where you put Junior on the payroll to manage it. He has 1 or 2 other roommates. They pay the lion's share of the mortgage. And then, as I mentioned, when Junior graduates, you just go ahead and sell the property. All right, we are in our hall bath. We've got a fiberglass tub shower enclosure. This home has a nice big vanity here. And I love that ebony color that we have. Nice big mirror. And we have some natural light here, of course, that comes in through that window. Here behind the door is going to be a linen closet. And there it is right there. Coming up on July 11th is when the voting starts for Best Agent in Richmond. I was fortunate enough, with your help, to be in the top 5. So they're going to have a second round, and that's when the actual voting starts. Now, one of the changes that they're doing this year is there's going to be vote by text. So I know some people didn't like entering their email address and answering a whole bunch of questions. It's going to be real easy now. You can do it daily. So you can actually vote daily. And the thing that I'm telling people to think about is whenever you get in the shower and look at that shower head, that's a reminder there that you need to hop on there and text a vote for Max. So I think that's an easy way to remember your duty. All right, here we go. We have got a nice bar here. You could probably get about 5 bar stools there. They came in with the gray Formica for the countertop. I love what they did here with this backsplash. That's just a really neat, classy look. Plenty of cabinet space here in this kitchen. We do have stainless steel appliances. Once again, those ebony cabinets, nice double bowl sink. The home does have a stainless dishwasher. And here to the left, we're going to have a small pantry as well. This home is equipped with an alarm system, so you're already wired up for that. And as I mentioned earlier, it's only 7 years old, so you've got newer systems, nice and bright in here. I love the color scheme. It's nice and neutral, but yet stylish at the same time. All right, let's take a look here. I'm gonna take a look here to the left. This is going to be our utility closet. We've got a utility closet there, and then a dedicated laundry room. Now, this is unusual in this size home to have an actual laundry room is a really nice plus. That's going to be our York heat pump and our electric water heater there. So you've got good space here. You can actually put some storage over those appliances. All right, let's take a look here to our backyard. Now, the other thing I love, they were smart enough to go in and not only put that ramp in the front, but you've got a little ramp here on the back. So you can access both front and backyards very easily. I love it because this is a very low maintenance yard. You could take care of this with simply a weed eater. You can knock it out in just a few minutes so you can enjoy sitting inside in that nice AC. All right, give you a shot there of the exterior. One of the great things about this price range, if you have a modest budget, these payments are locked in for the length of the loan. So a 30-year mortgage, the payments for your loan, principal and interest, will not go up. And of course, we know what happens if you're renting. You can almost, with some landlords, guarantee a rent increase on an annual basis. Okay, this is going to be our primary bedroom. They did bring that crown molding in here as well. We do have dual closets. We have got one on the left and one on the right. So we've got good closet space here in this home. Closet 1 and then closet 2 is right there. Let's go into our primary bath. Notice the doorway here. We've got an extra wide doorway, so if you need to wheel a wheelchair in, you can. Another closet there, that's going to be a linen closet. Nice and convenient right here in the bathroom. Plenty of space there on our vanity. A nice big mirror as well. Ceramic tile on the floor here, and they also brought that crown molding here throughout this bathroom as well. These are little things that a builder will do that aren't really going to make a difference as far as the pricing, but it just shows that they went over and above just trying to do the bare minimum. And that's important because you just never want somebody to try to cut corners and do something that's not nearly as nice as they could. All right, this is, of course, is our shower. Now, we've got a very low threshold there, so you could just roll right in there. If you had to bring that seat down, you could. We've got the detachable shower head, and so this is just a great feature for someone with those mobility issues. Very difficult, especially in the city, to find a home that is friendly as far as ADA. It's just extremely difficult. So I was really happy to see this one hit the market. This is going to be a dream come true for some fortunate buyer. If you have questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be an honor for me to help. Our rent-to-own program is back up and running, starting at $12.50 a month and up in the county. So make sure you get in touch with me if you aren't quite ready to buy. If you're coming in from out of town, the rent-to-own program is a real smart move. It also makes things a little easier right now in this very competitive market. We can wait until things settle down a little bit and then go ahead and complete your purchase. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. Reach on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.